Hey there folks, Woody here. Well, my wife said to me earlier that her little vacuum cleaner's not working. Now, I'm pretty sure this would still be under warranty, but we've had a search and have been able to find the docket. So we have plenty of power, but nothing when we turn it on. I'm giving it a bump, can't get anything out of it. So, this is not my forte, but I figure what have I got to lose? I'll open it up and have a look. Rightio. Oh, there we go. Well, yes, look, we can see we've actually got wasps' nests inside the casing and sitting here on the motor. So hopefully it's maybe a little bit of dirt or something somewhere. That joint there is fine. Those joins there seem to be fine. Oh, it's that little one down there. I guess the first thing we need to do is make sure that the switch is being touched. Alright. Now the problem is not there. So what is this one here? Alrighty, so the issue seems to be whatever pushes this in. So I'm just gonna have to pop back and get the case, the plastic cover, because I think that might have something to do with that. Well, I'm a bit lost now. I can't see anything in there. that pushes that button in. That just needs to be pushed into there for that to work. And this is back together. I can only assume that there was something on there that was supposed to push that back in. Yes, well, this was the part where I read the manual and realised that the filter screen and filters were missing from the vacuum cleaner. Now, we have searched everywhere through this house. They are simply not here. We really don't have any clue what happened. I have a suspicion that maybe the last time I've used it, I've just pulled the plastic cover off and tapped it into the bin without thinking, and as well as the rubbish, the filter screen and the filter has gone in there. So this part was not available in Australia from any of the local suppliers, but I did find one on AliExpress. So it only took about a week to get here, and it has now fixed the machine, and the machine is working fine. Well, yes, so I guess that just goes to show how unfamiliarity with the tool can have repercussions when you haven't used it for a while, or when you presented it from someone else as having a problem. This whole piece here was missing. The filter screws in there. It's going to be a bit of a screen there to stop too much crap getting through. So, and it sits in there like that. It's a bit fiddly to get lined up. And then that knob there, there's a bit that puts in that little button there I couldn't figure out. Yeah, anyway, what have I got to say for that? Well, it was my blue, but we sorted it out. No worries, thank you.